Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Woodbridge, Virginia, and the homeowner has water damaged plywood right in this area here. And I'm going to go up on the roof and I'll show you why. Okay, first off, there should not be asphalt shingles on this roof. The roof is practically flat. There should be a flat roofing material on here instead, like an EPDM. The homeowner hired a handyman to install this roof. You can see all the lines are all practically straight with each other, like right here. So if it rains really heavy, or if there's a melting snow, the water will back up underneath the shingles and then leak inside the home. Also, where he tied this roof section into this section, you can see there's nails here, and the nails are too low, so it's a big problem. Also, this valley was installed incorrectly. There's nails fastened too close to the valley center line, so that leak can originate from anywhere up above and settle again on this low-pitched roof. And you can see somebody put a lot of caulk over some nail pops. Here, and you got them all over the place. So when you have nail pops on this roof section too, the leak can start from up here, travel underneath the shingles, and again settle at the lowest point. All these pipe flanges were done incorrectly too. So not only could he have a leak directly below, but again that water can settle down at the flat roof. This one's done wrong. This one's done wrong. In fact, the flashing here stops about right here, and he just sealed it with caulk. When the caulk starts to pull away, the water's going to leak underneath the flashing and drop down inside the where the plywood is cut. Also, there's a ridge vent here, there's a ridge vent here, but there's none over here. So this area here is not circulating, and this pipe flange is done wrong. You can see there's nail pops here that were sealed, here. You know, it's very possible whoever installed this roof initially, he did not have the air pressure set correctly to the nail gun. So the nails were not being driven flush to the deck. So in time, the nails are just going to pop right through the shingles when the shingles start to self-seal. So again, I would highly recommend for this roof to be removed and replaced, because the cost of the repairs is going to be quite high. Yeah, that's really bad. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Thank you.